Hello there, this is Teddy from the Canvas GFX team, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Smartlines in Canvas Envision. Smartlines allow for a quick connection of two or more flowchart symbols together. They can be used to create even the most complicated diagrams and can be customized in a number of different ways to appeal to your audience. As always, let's go to the View tab at the top and make sure we are on the same page. I will click on the Smart Snaps box, Format Objects box, and Symbols box. Now, let's go down to the Symbols library and place a few shapes onto the canvas like so. You may notice that a few purple dashed lines are appearing as we move these shapes around. That is due to the Smart Snaps box we checked earlier. A way to organize these shapes you are placing can be by aligning them using Smart Snaps on each shape like so, or you can use the Align tools in the Draw tab. Select all objects first and then go inside the Align ribbon. Here, you will find a few options to choose from. For our case, we will do a vertical align. Let's also do a horizontal align for these two symbols as well. The smart lines for the flowcharts are located inside the Insert tab in this region here. These are all of the shapes you can use. Let's select this one for example and bring the cursor into our canvas. You may notice that our cursor has turned into a plus symbol. This is because once we approach our flowchart symbols, we'll be able to see connection points. These are locations that allow the smart lines to connect to one another. You can either use the existing connection points on the symbols like so, or you can edit them using these three connection tools. You can also have text in them by selecting the line and starting to type. You can also edit their format by opening the Format Objects window next to the Symbols library. Thanks for checking out our Smartlines video. For more tips, features, or any questions that you may have, please visit our website at canvasgfx.com.